Struggling to choose between eBay and Mercari for your reselling business? Imagine turning your clutter into cash, but which platform maximizes your profit? eBay offers a vast global audience, perfect for unique, high-demand items. Mercari simplifies the selling process, ideal for quick, hassle-free transactions. Think of eBay like a bustling marketplace. More buyers mean higher chances of sales. Mercari feels like a friendly neighborhood store, easy to use with less competition. On eBay, you can set up auctions, potentially driving prices up. Mercari lets you list items faster, with fewer steps and more convenience. eBay's fee structure can get complicated, affecting your bottom line. Mercari's fees are straightforward, letting you keep more of your earnings. Do you prefer detailed listings with lots of control? eBay's got your back. Want to list in minutes and sell with ease? Mercari is your go-to. eBay's buyer protection policies build trust, but can be strict on sellers. Mercari's user-friendly app makes it easy to manage sales on the go. eBay supports international shipping, expanding your reach globally. Mercari focuses on local shipping, making transactions simpler and quicker. How about customer support? eBay offers extensive resources for sellers. Mercari's support is known for being responsive and helpful. eBay is great for experienced sellers seeking a wide audience. Mercari is perfect for beginners looking for simplicity and speed. Picture selling on eBay. More viewers, potential higher profits. Imagine selling on Mercari. Less hassle, quicker sales. Is maximizing profit your goal? eBay's global reach can help. Seeking convenience and speed? Mercari's streamlined process is ideal. Ready to choose your platform? Boost your reselling game today. Sign up on eBay to reach millions of buyers worldwide. Or, get started on Mercari for quick and easy sales. Don't wait. Decide now and start earning. Happy reselling!